Hey guys, I'm here right now at La Montana Estates, Antipolo City to show you this lot with a beautiful city and mountain view. But first, check out the details of this lot. So here we are at the 437 square meter corner lot right here. Ayan. So, starting from this corner, hanggang dun siya sa wall ng bahay. I hope you can see it. And makikita nyo dito sa part na to, sa corner na yan, medyo paangat yung lupa and pababa siya dun sa wall. Ayan. And yung street na ito is may daanan palabas and entrance ng village. So dito sa part na yan is pababa siya. And on the other side is pababa din ng onte dito. Ayan. And dito sa side na ito is actually pwede pa kayo magpalagay ng other gate dito sa gilid. Dahil you have a plenty of space right here. Ayan. So simula dun sa kalsada na pinanggalingan natin dito sa corner hanggang dito sa wall ng bahay is actually yun yung kabuuan ng lote. And yung kinatatayuan ko ngayon, dito pa lang kitang-kita nyo na yung mountain view. Ayan. And ang hinihintay nyo sa lahat is yung city view, which is actually just behind me. So guys, this is perfect for you lalo na if you're planning to have a townhouse and residential house dahil you have a plenty space for 437 square meter lot. So, ang dami nyo pwedeng gawin. You can have garden or malaking car garage or swimming pool. And guys, para ma-appreciate yung city view na ipinakita ko ngayon, pwede kayo magpalagay ng roof deck para makita nyo talaga yung view ng Metro Manila and also the view from the mountain side ng Antipolo. And ang kinagandaan din dito sa village na ito, if you have a family member na nagko-commute, bagay na bagay dahil paglabas nyo ng village, andun na agad yung jeep and e-buses. So guys, don't hesitate to message us about this property and other properties here in Antipolo City. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next ride.